Got the carburetor better. Now she's going to degrease the engine bay for the first time. Nowhere near close to being able to paint the thing, but don't mean we can't clean it up. Make it look like something. Get the middle area real good through here in the back. And then up here, the front. Yeah. Get out here too. Okay, now you can get down around your wheel wells, your frame, the back firewall on that side. Yep. We're just using that Garrett's garage. I used it on my Camaro before. It works pretty good. It's not Garrett like Garrett's name. It's a different weird spelling of. It's called Garrett's. Oh. Griots or something. Maybe it's Griots. Yeah,
I don't know.
something like that. But whatever AutoZone had for engine degreaser, that wasn't like. And then we got power washer ready. We're gonna power wash it all off. And don't be afraid to use that whole bottle, Shae, because I don't really care. I mean,
oh, my arm is cramping.
You got two hands. Let me see it. You really want to get the soiled areas that you can see real good. Mm-hmm. It won't hurt your paint. Definitely don't leave it on. I want to say this stuff's already partially diluted. Because normal degreasers you have to dilute yourself. Is your key still on? Because I hear something buzzing. Wonder what that is. I wonder if that vacuum pump might be why your battery was dying. Get this firewall real good.
I think that buzzing is just good.
It could be down the road too.
It's good. It's the water.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's ready to hose. I think we almost killed that bottle. What are you doing?